Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Flex Appeal, the presentation of the winners of the Association's Annual Achievement Awards competition. This evening, 31 outstanding flexible packages will receive achievement awards for advancements in 6 categories: expanding the use of flexible packaging, printing, shelf impact, technical innovation, sustainability, and packaging excellence. Tonight's winning entries feature exceptional flexible packaging solutions that exceed expectations and needs through advancements in materials, graphics, structure, use, shelf life, and sustainability. We will now begin the awards presentation with our Silver Award winners. Advanced Web Technologies receives a Silver Award for Shelf Impact for their pet medical product pouch. Accepting the award is Bruce Hansen, CEO of AWT.
This was an excellent example of utilizing the metallization on the package itself, and they reversed out the headline with silver metallization. They printed a gold yellow color over the top of that, and that really stood out with the metallic headline on the package.
A Silver Award for Packaging Excellence goes to Amcor Flexibles for the La Lee Morning Protein Bites in an Am Prima PE Plus recycle-ready pouch. Amcor's Vice President of Research and Development, Brian Carville, is accepting the award.
Wonderful package, great stand-up features. It's an all-poly, in-store, drop-off, recyclable, sustainable structure. Good graphics on it. It has a good soft touch feel to it. It just, as we said, checks a lot of the boxes. It's a wonderful package.
Receiving a Silver Printing Award is Bryce Corporation for Frito-Lay's compostable snack packaging at the Coachella Music Festival. Accepting the award for Bryce are Sean Bowie, President, Chad McDonald, Senior Vice President, and Patrick Clark, Vice President of R&D and Procurement.
The real interesting part of this product is the compostable material that we use for this bag. It's very difficult to print, and they discussed that in their entry. They worked very closely with an ink manufacturer to come up with the right ink that could be utilized and be able to print the quality that they needed. So, from a technical standpoint, and the printing is really where it scored high for us.
A Silver Award for Technical Innovation is presented to Flex Films USA Incorporated for their ultra-high barrier and high metal bond metallized polyester film for aluminum foil replacement. P.K. Casteria, Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Flex Films, is accepting the award.
The film is a 48-gauge metallized polyester. The unique thing about this type of film is its foil replacement abilities, and it's capable of getting WVTRs in the range of 0.05 grams per 100 square meters, both WVTR and OTR. This is the type of film that's going to replace foil, and it's got good flex cracking resistance, so it's going to be better than foil.
Glenroy Incorporated receives a Silver Award for expanding the use of flexible packaging for the EcoView single-dose ultrasound gel packet. Accepting the award are Alexa and Isabella Juring, 4th-generation family owners.
We thought this was a great entry looking at the extended use of flexible packaging. It will replace potentially larger bottles, and you can be able to do a specific amount of liquid that's needed for the ultrasound applications for doctors. So we felt this really can reach into several different applications, from medical applications for flexible packaging.
Glenroy also receives a Sustainability Silver Award for Wallex's Commando Black Holding Tank Cleaner Store Drop-Off Recyclable Pouch.
It checked a lot of the boxes. One, it's certainly a new category for flexibles, and two, it is recyclable, in-store recyclable, and it actually printed the recycle symbol on the front. In most cases, they're on the back of the bag, and this had it on the front, which we thought was unique and beneficial.
A Printing Silver Award goes to Inland Packaging for the Z Natural Foods Whole Milk Powder Pouch. Company representatives are unable to attend this evening's ceremony, so William Jackson, Chief Technology Officer for Amcor Flexibles, is accepting the award on their behalf.
Well, the milk powder category can probably be a pretty mundane category relative to packaging, but the print on this really can take that category to another level. It was really gorgeous.
Receiving a silver award for packaging excellence is Integrated Plastics Packaging for the OCAM Rice Recyclable Flat Bottom 3D Pouch. Company representatives are unable to attend this evening's ceremony, so William Jackson is also accepting the award on their behalf.
This bag is not only pretty, but it has substance in that great graphics, and yet it's monolayer, in-store recyclable. We looked at sustainability. It does very well in multiple categories, and it really checked all the boxes, as we say, relative to the categories that we were looking at and judging.
Pa Hapor 3P is receiving 3 silver awards this evening. Company representatives are unable to attend this evening's ceremony, so William Jackson is once again accepting the awards on their behalf. Pa Hapor's first silver award is for expanding the use of flexible packaging for the HP HDX lubricant oil stand-up spouted pouch.
The oil spouted pouch has tremendous requirements from a technology standpoint. You're going to have strong bonds, super strong seals. You're going to drop that pouch. The hydraulic forces on the seals, that has to withstand all of that, shipping and use. And it's got a great fitment on it for a pour feature, replacing the high-density bottles with the flexible packaging. Impressive.
The Paper Boat Coconut Water-shaped stand-up pouch receives a silver award for shelf impact.
I think the unique situation with this product was utilizing the metallic with the graphics. So they had a really interesting orange color that they used. It was a transparent orange that showed through the metallic that really set it off under our shelf impact category. Also had a very unique design for the bottle as well that set it apart from other types of similar products on the shelf.
Pa Hapor's final award is a Shelf Impact Silver Award for the Ye Kibble Baked Dog Food 5-panel press-to-close zipper pouch.
This particular package, we kind of pictured ourselves walking down the dog food aisle, and most of the bag don't exactly jump off the shelf at you. There's a lot of multi-wall paper, but this kind of took the shelf appeal to another level in terms of the use of colors. The print itself was extremely crisp. A lot of these large bags, lie them down on the shelf, they're not upright. So this also had very good, solid graphics around the corners of the bag. We really felt that this was a very unique package relative to the category of dog food.
Receiving a silver award for technical innovation is Profol for their synthetic bacon board. Accepting the award is Amy Pressure, Sales Manager, and Justin Young, Senior Engineer, New Product Development.
The uniqueness of utilizing that bacon board versus the wax paper that everybody usually sees when they're purchasing bacon in the grocery store. This is a replacement that was quite interesting and sustainable.
Congratulations to all of our Silver Award winners. Now it's time to announce the Gold Award winners. A Gold Award for Sustainability goes to Acredo Packaging Incorporated and Presto Products Company Fresh Lock Closure Business Unit for the Kirkland Signature Ultra Clean High Efficiency Laundry Detergent Packs. Accepting the award are Rex Varn, Executive Vice President for Acredo Packaging, and Brad Hansen, President of Presto Specialty Products.
This package is an all polyethylene, in-store drop-off type of package. And the key is it's replacing the tubs that your pods are coming in now. So not only is it sustainable, but you're recycling it also. So instead of these big tubs hanging around and going through recycling, this goes back into the in-store drop-off. Pretty impressive.
American Packaging Corporation receives a Gold Printing Award for Golden West Food Group's Meat District Gobbler Frozen Patties. Jeff Cook, President, and Ray Graham, Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer, are accepting the award.
This was an interesting package. It's rotogravure printed. It's 9 colors. Different stations were used to print it. So a lot of attention was given to the graphics and to the print. It has a black on black background image that goes along with it, and then a very, very crisp image of the product on the back of the package.
American Packaging also receives a Silver Sustainability Award for McDonald's 2022 Pokemon Card Overwrap.
This was a unique application where they wanted to make sure and have the outside package for the Pokemon card to be recyclable, and so they wanted to utilize paper with the product, and they were able to achieve that. The outside package is recyclable. It can be included in the paper waste stream. So the uniqueness of that was what really caught our eye as judges.
Receiving 2 gold awards for packaging excellence and sustainability is Berry Global for the On-Tour produce package and On-Tour bold and shield lamination. Accepting the awards are Scott Frank, Vice President of Sales for Flexible Films, Allison Holshoe, Senior Director Product Line Management, and Caleb Triplett, Director of Product Management for Flexible Packaging.
Produce package, unique product on the marketplace, taking a sustainable in-store drop-off poly kind of structure. The other thing, it uses Berry Plastics machine direction oriented polyethylene film in its outer layer to give it good rigidity in the marketplace. So that helps get heat resistance. It is a good film for printing. So it makes a unique package, replacing the oriented polypropylene you see in most produce packages. So a nice step up on sustainability.
NOSCO receives a gold award for expanding the use of flexible packaging for Mega Foods Women's Ensemble Preconception Daily Multi-Pack. From NOSCO, Craig Curran, President, and Steve Kruger, FlexPack Growth Manager, are accepting the award.
This package is pretty interesting. First of all, it's digitally printed, which is nice to see. Secondly, it takes vitamins platform category and takes it out of the rigid bottle into the flexible packaging. And there's even individual daily doses in flexible packaging also. Good graphics, a good soft feel to the outside material. So it feels good, it looks good, and it expands flexible packaging.
NOSCO also receives a Printing Silver Award for the Apex Protein Snacks Meat Sticks.
Really unique. And they're able to do both front and back in one pass through the HP Indigo. So unique application. There's different flavors. So with digital, they don't have the plates that's needed in other types of printing processes. So to be able to digital print and go from one type of meat and changing out the graphics or changing out the wording on the front of their package is very important.
Receiving 2 gold awards for packaging excellence and technical innovation is Paxis Incorporated for the White Eclipse UV blocking packaging. Deanne Dodrell, CEO, is accepting the awards.
A 3-ply structure, polyester on the outside, aluminum oxide coated, and then replacing aluminum foil in this case, which is very difficult to get in the marketplace right now. And it's got a white-black co-extruded film, a unique approach to getting a light blockage UV barrier in a medical package.
PPC Flexible Packaging receives several achievement awards this evening. Accepting the awards are Kevin Keneally, Chief Executive Officer, and Dan Donofrio, Chief Operations Officer. The first award is a Gold Printing Award for the Nichols Farms Jalapeno Lime Pistachios package.
The front of the package has a paper look to it, which they achieved through print. It also felt paper-like, so we were really impressed with the way that was done. And also has a window so you can see the product, and it has some high gloss print on. So they blended very well the different print styles that really allowed it to stand out.
The Pulmyeon Beef Japchae Korean Noodles receives a Gold Award for shelf impact.
This is an interesting package in terms of the graphics. The graphics of the actual food, they just really popped out from the package. And then you consider the aisle of the store where this is displayed in frozen food, and that's typically an aisle that has a lot of cartons, not necessarily what I would consider high-end graphics. And we really felt that this particular package would really stand out in that environment.
PPC also receives 2 silver awards for expanding the use of flexible packaging and packaging excellence for the Supply Indica vape pen.
A unique package, simple printing. You don't want to overdo your printing in this marketplace. The other thing about this package that is totally unique is the zipper, the opening force. It is a special setup on the zipper that is going to be very child unfriendly to open, which you don't want kids getting into it, which is why, but yet adults can get into it. It adds a safety feature to the vaping pen, so I think that's a unique feature.
PrintPak receives a Gold Award for Shelf Impact for the Cadbury Caramello Miniature Stand-Up Pouch. PrintPak's Senior Vice President of Marketing and R&D, David Love, is accepting the award.
This was definitely one of our favorite packages that we looked at from a shelf impact standpoint, and the printing, the colors. They utilized the metallics as some other packages did, but they did a great job. Had a very classy look to it. It had some background, and it had some background images that looked differently as the light hit it. So a lot of interesting shelf impact.
PrintPak also receives a Printing Gold Award for the Vula Sorpresa Bold Package.
It was certainly a package that we felt had a wow factor that was unique. Not often do you open up a pouch or a bag and see something like that. Cause you to say, oh, there's more to it. And this definitely had a wow factor.
Receiving 5 awards this evening is Pro Ampac. Accepting the awards is Hassam Tubai, Vice President, Global Product Development and Innovation. The Scott's Miracle Grow Rescue Outdoor Plant Potion Package receives a Gold Award for expanding the use of flexible packaging and a Silver Award for packaging excellence.
If you think about Miracle Grow, think about that. It's always in a carton or a folding carton usually, or possibly even a plastic container. So really unique to utilize a flexible pack for the Miracle Grow. And then there's additional packs that was inside it that was also done with the flexible packaging applications.
Pro Ampac's Metropolitan Tea compostable tea envelopes and overwraps receive a Silver Award for technical innovation.
One of the things that just hit us right away was that it was utilizing paper, where film is used in the majority in a lot of the flexible packaging applications. Going to a paper-based flexible package was certainly one of the big things that caught our eye with the application.
Pro Ampac's Pruition single-serve smoothie meal replacement powder packages receives 2 Silver Awards for sustainability and technical innovation.
This package is paper-based, which right now, in terms of consumers out there, paper is king. People like paper. It's fully sustainable. You can put it in the paper waste at your disposal system. So it really checks a lot of the boxes right now. So pretty impressive.
TC Transcontinental Packaging receives a Gold Award for Shelf Impact for Gillette Slate resealable razor pouches. Thomas Morin, president of TC Transcontinental Packaging, and Sam Ben-David, senior vice president of coatings and procurement, are accepting the award.
Gillette razor pouch, I think, is outstanding. The unique thing is the good use of metallizing and demetallizing in the window area, and the use of transparent inks to get that red really jumping at the customers. So really wonderful use of graphics, demetallizing, and putting a package together.
They also receive a Silver Shelf Impact Award for Nestle's San Pellegrino Sparkling Water Integratite 33% PCR Bundling Collation Shrink Film.
This is another package that we noticed immediately. It's a great looking overwrap, sparkling water. It contains 33% recycled material. So relative to great scores relative to sustainability with the recycled content, but also the shelf appeal was very high. In a category with a lot of water just overwrapped with clear film.
TC Transcontinental Packaging's final award is a Printing Silver Award for Whole Foods Baking Mix flat bottom pouches.
One of the things that caught our eye with this package was that it had a really nice soft touch coating that was applied to the film for the package. And there's a lot of studies that are out there that tells you how important tactile feel is for the consumer when they're choosing products off the shelf. The printing quality was also really nice. The graphics were nice. So that's where we looked at it from a couple different angles and scored high under printing.
And now, it's time to present the Flexible Packaging Association's highest achievement award. This award is given to an outstanding package that demonstrates overall package excellence and has made the most significant contribution to the flexible packaging industry. This year, the highest achievement award is presented to Glenroy Incorporated for the Rescue Outdoor Disposable Fly Trap Package. This package also receives 2 gold awards for packaging excellence and technical innovation, and a silver award for expanding the use of flexible packaging. Accepting the awards are Alexa and Isabella Juring, 4th-generation family owners.
The disposable fly trap was something that we all saw pretty early in our judging, and it really kept coming up as a very innovative new way of using flexible packaging.
The fitment on this package, I've never seen one like that before, very unique and specific to this application need. And the fitment is placed in the gusset. First time I've ever seen a fitment in a gusset, part of a pouch.
This was a new paradigm for me and changed everything in terms of what a flexible package can do.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our presentation of FlexAppeal and the announcement of the FPA 2023 Flexible Packaging Achievement Award competition winners. The Flexible Packaging Association congratulates all of our award recipients. Let's give one more round of applause to all of the competition winners this evening. Be sure to view the winning packages and all the competition entries in the foyer. Copies of the 2023 FPA Flexible Packaging Achievement Awards and Innovation Showcase booklet are also available. Thank you and good night.